Tech Motors family, this is the 1994 Subaru Legacy GT touring wagon. It is 4x4. It has the 4-cylinder EJ20 twin turbo engine with an automatic transmission. This Legacy has 59,512 original miles. Maybe I'll be able to talk today. We'll see. It does come with 4 doors. Also a rear hatch. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. These seats do stow away to create more cargo room. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. Alright, this vehicle does come in kilometers. The kilometers is 95,777. The miles again is 59,512. Alright, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I did want to tell you guys thank you so much for the continual support. It really does mean the world to us. I pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.